Welcome to Faith Explosion Kids Camp. This is day one of the greatest week of your life. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Let's get it! Yeah!
Ladies and gents, this is the moment you've waited for. You've been searching in the dark, your sweat soaking through the floor. And buried in your bones, there's an ache that you can't ignore. Taking your breath, stealing your mind, and all that was real is left behind. Don't fight it, it's coming for you, running at you. It's only this moment, don't care what can gather. Your fever dream, can't you see getting closer? Just surrender, cause you feel the feeling taking over. It's fire, it's freedom, it's flooding open. It's a picture in the pulpit and your blind devotion. There's something breaking at the brick of every wall, it's holding all that you know. So tell me, do you wanna go where it's covered in all the color lights, where the runaways are running the night? Impossible comes true, it's taking over you. We light it up, we won't come down, and the sun can't stop
church mother in they church hat clap. Man, that sugar gave her color purple coming back clap. When that whole week beat you up and stress you, but you hear that organ playing and remind you of your blessings. And on another note, she just hit another note. Chills down my spine, got me crying, make me overload. You don't know about it though. Old school church hymn seekers get the humming, now the drummer finna burst in. Lordy, Lordy, Lord. Can you hear me now? Church close, sweater, you don't care, you just get it now. Testify how we made martyrs out of these fathers and rose up all of his daughters to glorify him with honor. Man, I swear Thomas Jones with her head did. Now it's flying everywhere, she don't care what her head did. She an egg, yeah, caught up in the egg, yeah. Probably why she clapping like Jesus just reappeared, yeah.
Give me that God Almighty, that good old gospel, that old school doctrine. Give me that truth for the body, ain't nothing new about it, but it's still full of power.
Church clap, let me hear the church clap. Church clap, church clap, let me hear the church clap. Church clap, church clap, let me hear the church clap. Church clap, church clap, let me hear the church clap. I wanna be the type of dude to get the Lord on his feet. I wanna do the type of shows that the Lord wanna see. What I mean, if I can make the whole church clap, it ain't a clap in the heavens, then that clap's just a clap, clap. For his son glorified, sin mortified. The Holy Spirit going word, that truth ain't watered down. It's sound doctrine, gets birds in the common. Nothing wrong with singing loud, but that ain't where the power's down. The church has been clapping at weak sermons, leaving the weak hurt. No one's changed by Sunday service. We need discernment, check what you be affirming, cause the church can be full of members but empty in conversion. Preach the gospel and stand back, look for changed lives, not for hand claps. Love people well, oh they can't stand at the church, just the church with the words where we stand.
Hey, we gonna get loud for Jesus, right?
Yeah!
Hey, that's the way to go. It's gonna be unbelievable, kids. Y'all have a great week.
If everything's going well, obviously you're overlooking something. Okay? That's one. How do you know if you're out of invisible ink? Okay? Ready? On the other hand, you have different fingers. Do you know that half the people you know are below average? I was sad because I had no shoes the other day, and then I met a man with no feet. So I said, do you have any shoes you're not using? All right, we ready? Cross-country skiing is great if you live in a small country. Okay, that's all of them. You're not still rolling, are you?
It's still rolling.
Yeah, just don't waste your film. I'm done. This is you saying, do the horse, do the horse. This is me. Bye-bye. Hey, if we don't see you here, we'll see you here. She was country as a cornbread wedding cake.